So my mom told me to clean my pot out with chicken grease. I didn't know what to do. She said just throw some, I had to clean it. So I threw in some butter and some other stuff. I think it was like flour and then a little water to try to keep it clean. I don't know. I had to use some salt, something hard like salt and pepper. I don't know what this is now. Wow, what is that? Man, I have to. What do I do with this? Oh, is that called? I don't know. Maybe it's called gravy. I'm gonna have to get rid of this stuff. If anybody has any ideas, I don't know if this is the right way to clean a pot. I use a little heat too. But I mean, all I used was like flour, butter, water, salt and pepper. And it seems to be working because the bottom was stuck. There was a lot of stuff on the bottom. I don't know if you can see that. But now, I don't know what to do with this stuff. Any suggestions? Let me know.